guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reorganizing the closet. I actually semi-reorganized it last night and I don't know. I don't like the way it's organized, so let me show you. Kevin's stuff is over here, my stuff is all over here, and we have this like organizing bin thing here and I don't like it. So I just need to kind of reconfigure everything. So I went to Target today and I bought these two organizers. So I hope those might be a little bit more functional. And I also got this. And it's supposed to, you know, just kind of hang there and hold some stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can kind of reorganize everything, because really what we have right now is not working out well for us. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love organizing and cleaning things out and trying different things. So if you guys like cleaning and organizing, what? Okay, Leighton's waiting for her friend to get here, so she was yelling at me from the front. My battery died, so if you guys like cleaning and organizing and all of that, I hope you consider subscribing, and let's get started.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Be with you, be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Be with you, wanna be hoping you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to.
Alright, so this is the finished product.
I wouldn't know what to.
I used to use these all the time, these like little section things, and I hated them because I would always buy them at like the dollar store and I didn't think there was really any difference. This one is so nice and sturdy, and they actually sell little drawers, so I might get little drawers to put them in, because I just think this is so cute, and I was able to put a bunch of sweaters so I could free up some space there. And then in here, I left the tags on just in case the system doesn't work out. This one is empty. This one I just have like some extra socks. I got like a couple of packs of socks like last year for Christmas, so I just have like all the extras there, so when I need them I can pull them out there. Here I just have like some jewelry boxes and some belts, and like this is a little old jewelry box I had when I was little, filled with like little kid jewelry. And I have all of my wallets and like travel bags, and my clutch bag when I go to like a wedding or something, and my little travel jewelry case. And here I just have shoes. So here's Kevin's shoes. This one's a little tough to open, but I think it's totally fine. It's just because his shoes are heavy. And I just have a few pairs of my shoes in there, and then my dress shoes for work. Then here I just have my little purses. And I have another purse back there. I have Kevin's pants right there. All of my like dress pants and skirts. And then I kind of tried to color coordinate as best as possible. Oops, let's see. This should be over here. My OCD is kicking in. And that. And that. Okay. So I have like little dressier tank tops, some of my short sleeve blouses, and then long sleeve blouses, and then just like flannel shirts, my blazer, which I have a couple more blazers in the attic, I have to go get them, and then dresses. So everything is nice and organized, and I have a bunch of stuff to get rid of, and then I've got a bunch of extra hangers, which I'll just hang kind of in the back there. But that is the finished product, and I absolutely love it. I think it came out great. A lot more space. I love, 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 love that. I think, like I said, I may get one more, but I love it. So that is it for this video. It didn't take me very long at all. So now I just have all of this stuff from what I pulled out of the closet to put away, which is my least favorite part of any project. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.